Today I am going to start the chapter Steps to Success. Moral Science. Take out page number 5, chapter 1, Steps to Success. What are the main steps to success? First step is trust in God. We have to trust in God, as God is our Father, He is our Creator, He is always there with us in every steps of our life. So first of all, we should before starting any work, we should first of all thanks to God and pray to Him for His guidance. Second step is have dreams. We have to have dreams in our life. Second step is we should have dreams in our life, then only we can get our goals. Third step is hard work. Hard work is the key to success. Hard work is the key to success. Without hard work, we cannot get success in our life. We should have determination and we should work hard to achieve our goals. Then fourth step is know oneself. We should know what is the ability we are having. We should know our ability, what we can do. The one who strives for success should know what one's powers and weaknesses are. We should know what our weaknesses are and we should try to overcome our weakness. Fifth step is self-confidence. We should have self-confidence in ourselves. Without self-confidence, we cannot achieve anything in our life. Then sixth step is handle defeats. Life is part of this handle. We should know how to face every defeat. Defeats and setbacks are unavoidable parts of our journey towards our success. If we are getting defeats, we should not feel unsafe. We should try how to overcome that, how to avoid that defeats. Use them as stepping stones to reach success. If you are having some defeats in your life, you are getting some failures in your life, then we should think that these are the stepping stones for success. Then next is disciplined life. We should lead a disciplined life, which is very important in our lifetime. Without discipline, without good character, we cannot achieve success in our life. A disciplined life is a symbol of character and personality. More than that, it is very important component of success. Without disciplined life, we cannot achieve success in our life. Know the value of time. Know the value of time. Time once lost can never come back. So we should not waste our precious time. We should use every moment of our life to achieve success. Delaying or postponing action is the most dangerous enemy of success. We should not say this work we will do tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. If we are thinking that we have to do today, today itself we have to do. Tomorrow will never come again. Got it? Then be faithful in little things. We should be faithful. We should always be faithful to others, faithful to our parents, faithful to our teachers, in everything, faithful in little things. See here, the greatness of a person is not in waiting for big occasions to bring out his talents and perform better, but in changing the common situations in peculiar ones. To be faithful in life, we should be faithful in little things. Got it? Now next is develop your talents. How we can develop our talents? If we are having any talents, we should use it. We should use our talents. Everybody is having some or other talents. So we should use our talents. Everybody is blessed with certain talents. There is no person without the talents. So we have to use it. In this chapter, there is a story of a wise old donkey. A farmer was having this old donkey. His name was Dolly. One day, it accidentally fell into the farmer's well. But the farmer thought that it is a burden for me because Dolly was getting old and weak day by day. So he thought that we should bury him alive. So he started throwing rubbish in that. So the farmer called his neighbors and together they started shoveling dirt into the well. But soon one hopeful idea came to his mind. Every time when a shovel of dirt landed on his back, he would shake it off and step up. He repeated these words to himself again and again, shake it off and step up. This line helped the donkey to come out of the well. This way he could struggle the panic and encourage himself. After some time, Dolly had stepped over the wall of the well. Although terribly tired, he was the winner. He saved his life because he has self-confidence in himself that I can survive, I can use his words, shake it off and step up. He used his words again and again. Then he came out of the well. But from this story, he didn't trust his master because he threw him and he thought he is an old donkey, he is of no use. Therefore, he ran away into the forest and joined his old friends. Students, the question answers are given at the chapters are already given in the campus here. You can write the notes. That's all from me from this chapter. Okay, thank you students.